she's fine. Yeah. What was that?
I don't know. I started to say hi and I swallowed my spit weird or something. Getting a little stressed out when I see Casey. Olivia said Casey and I were meant for each other. That is ridiculous. Right?
No, not really.
Okay, well, I'm sure Casey doesn't feel that way. He was married to my best friend. I dated her brother.
So, that's ancient history. Forget the Dawson stuff for a minute. How do you feel about Casey?
Well, that's the thing. I don't know.
Coughing Fit says you do. I